Hi guys, Sean here. Thought I would shoot a quick overview video of how I have set up, just with a simple opt-in, I've set up an integration with the Facebook Conversion API. And what that does, especially on mobile or any Apple device, is it allows us to funnel the data back into Attractzen, regardless of if they're using tracking cookies or anything fancy like that. So the use case here would be, let's say, you're doing something on your site, you're like opting in, like for, it could just be a simple lead magnet. It could be just like here, just subscribing to our newsletter, blog, whatever that might be. So on the back end, what happens is now that I've activated the Facebook conversion API, which takes a little bit of setting up, I can go in here to edit and under options, and it's going to show me all of this information here, including where I put in my pixel ID, and then it's going to show me pixel events, and I'm going to be able to choose on page view, use page view, and then on form submission, choose subscribe. And essentially what happens is that data gets piped back into Facebook. Here, let me show you. Yeah, so it kind of looks something like this, but basically it noticed the page view, it submitted the information, it registered another page view, it processed it as a lead, and then it also registered another page view. So this was just a test event, but you can see here the power in being able to pipe this information back into Attractzen. And I did that through a workflow. So here in workflows, you're going to see there's one called Facebook Conversion API. And here you're going to put in first you have to connect your Facebook ads account under integrations and settings. But then once you do that, you're going to be able to put here in your access token and your pixel ID, which your access token you're going to get here. If you have a pixel in your business manager, you're going to go under settings and you're going to grab the token right down here. Okay, and then the pixel ID is up here. So those are the ones that you bring here into the workflow, and then you give it an event name. So in this case, I chose subscribe, and then the value was $5. That was just an arbitrary value that I set it at. So now all that information right here under Facebook Conversion API is going to get piped back into Facebook's information, and now I'm going to get all kinds of data on Facebook and all that kind of good stuff on any connection with, if they're on the same browser. And again, it doesn't matter if regular like app tracking is turned off, as long as they use an email address to opt in somehow. We can pipe all that data back into the Conversion API. You could also add them to a custom audience. Lots of exciting things to do here. Just thought I would point this out to you since I was setting this up, and let us know if you have any questions. We are glad to just do this for you. If you don't want to do this, we can do this for you for a nominal fee just to set it up and really make a lot of your marketing smarter, where you can target the people who are opting in for things, or even if they're purchasing things, it's going to make your Facebook ad spend smarter. Okay, thanks so much.